one.
Hi, my name is Aditya, and I came to Dr. Sahara sometime in May of this year, and I had a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, adrenal stress, and he fixed me in just one treatment. I was feeling fantastic, and this is my third treatment, and I'm just feeling awesome. He's excellent in his work, and you can't go wrong here. Give him a shot, and you'll make a big difference in your own life.
Thank you. And Aditya too. Also, you had like brain fogginess, kind of feeling off.
Yes.
Remember, that was the major treatment, the major concern.
My sugar was high too, and brain wasn't functioning as it's supposed to. So all of that and several other problems which I was not even aware of got fixed instantly, and there was one good thing I did for myself in my lifetime, is to find Dr. Sahara. He's the best, and you should give him a shot. You can't go wrong.
Hi, my name is Dipali, and I've come from London, England. Aditya, my brother, got us here, and I had a lot of problems of which I wasn't even aware, and it all started with chronic fatigue that I was aware of, and thyroid, and my brain was off. I'm planning to be a writer, but I couldn't really put anything to paper until I came here. Yeah, yet, of course. It's like you're actually meeting a genius when you're with him, and he is thorough and perfect in his work. It's awesome. It's only when you go through the experience, do you know that what you're missing out in life, what you didn't have all this while. So I would highly recommend anybody coming here.
And Dipali, you've been through several kinesiologists and alternative medicine and MDs. So your experience versus my treatment versus theirs.
In London, I went to two kinesiologists. One was an acupuncturist, and the other lady was a homeopath. And with the acupuncturist, I needed to keep going back to her. I think I got about 4 or 5 treatments with her, and for a day or two I would feel good, and then it's like going back to where I was. And even with the other doctor that I went to, it was no good. It didn't last long again, and I came to Los Angeles, California to get treated by Dr. Sahara.
And total different personality, I'm understanding, to you. You're more open after the treatment.
Yes. I have become a very different person. I will just keep to myself in terms of my emotions. So that's one thing which I am able to express and not feel guilty about. And you see, all your body just opens up. We're not aware of where we're blocking ourselves, but it just comes out even if you don't want it to sometimes. But gradually, it's like, initially our child learns to crawl and then to walk. So for me, it's like I've finished my crawling stage now, and
awesome.
On my way to walking now. So.
Awesome. And then your symptoms when you came in, you don't have to be so specific or personal, like thyroid and all.
Yeah, for my thyroid, I was told it was hyperthyroidism, where my body temperature is a lot lower. But Dr. Sahara, just one look at me, and he said because of my eyes, they were like bulging out, and he said it was because of hypothyroidism. So he's fixed that, and my skin looks so much more better. It's got the peach tint to it now,
and hormones, remember?
Yeah, my hormones are so much more under control now, and
that's about it. Yeah. Okay. And Mr. Shah, you're from London too, but why did you come in?
Yes, it was because of my some problem with my spine and shoulder.
Mm-hmm. And I think it was like a frozen shoulder and a painful, like a tendonitis, bursitis type of shoulder.
I couldn't rotate it properly.
And I think we fixed it pretty much even 80 to 90% in 2 treatments, right? Basically.
Yes, after, I believe, the second treatment, it was quite okay. More than about 80-85% was okay.
Awesome. Awesome. And the lovely Mrs. Shaw.
It was the best
How
experience.
you had body aches? Explain what kind of symptoms you have and why you were here.
You had
I have some
body
problems.
aches, body aches, a lot of stress,
Yes.
adrenal stress. She had a lot of
Pain with
pain
legs.
on
Pains.
her body, like all kinds of pains, and fibromyalgia pains. So Dr. Sahara saw her, and in one treatment she got rid of like 80% of her pains, and she's feeling awesome. She hasn't felt this much better. She hasn't felt so
Thank
much
you.
good in her life. I've seen her for the past 20 years suffering and going from one doctor to the other, and Dr. Sahara has absolutely cured her, and this is the best experience she's ever had.
Thank you very much. And for the Shaw family, can Doctor share your testimony with others? Maybe they might need doctor's help, so my help, and can we use your testimony?
Absolutely, yes.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Dr. Sahara.
Thanks, Dr.
Thanks.
Sahara.
Thanks.